Welcome back. It's 4:45 on your Wednesday. Today looking fairly classic for June weather. That means a tad hot, a few pop-up storms, but other than that, nothing too really out of the norm. Our temperatures will climb into the low 90s. Our humidity, though, will be slightly lower later this afternoon. That'll be nice, and a 20% chance of rain for the metro area and South Shore. Now, if you live along the coast and close to the bayou parishes, I'm talking like Houma, anywhere in lower Lafourche, lower Terrebonne, I do have a higher chance of some pop-up storms this afternoon. Like you saw yesterday, some of those could be heavy and they can produce some gusty winds as well. Overall, our rain chances are going to stay low through Saturday, but here we go. We're still watching for some increasing tropical moisture by later Sunday and into Monday and early parts of next week. There will be a higher chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. It doesn't have anything to do with Invest 90, but Invest 90 is still causing big flooding problems for central and southern Florida, at least the peninsula. You can see the panhandle not really being impacted at all. Invest 90 does still have a low chance of becoming a depression in the coming days as it enters the Atlantic, and it will continue to move northeast. So this is not going to be a threat to the East Coast with rain or wind. You may have some choppier seas at times in the outer banks of the Carolinas, but that's about it. So no major problems there with tropical development, but certainly a heavy rainmaker. Notice the next 3 to 4 days, we really don't have much rain in the forecast. But if we fast forward, throw in the next 7 days, we do have a chance for some heavier rain going into next week. We're talking about going into around maybe later Sunday into Monday. That tropical moisture begins to build into the northern Gulf, and you can see the rest of the Gulf starts to see the chance for some heavier rain. Still a little too early to say for sure how much rain, but certainly a possibility. So that moisture with Invest 90 hanging out around Florida the rest of the week. Here comes our next plume of moisture, though, we're going to be tracking. That will start to enter the western and central Gulf by around Sunday, and then some of that getting up to us Sunday night into Monday. Looking at the latest data, though, confidence is growing that the worst of this heavy rain misses southeast Louisiana. I still think we're going to get skirted. We're still going to have some heavy downpours into Monday, but maybe the worst of it, you can see right in here moving into Texas or even south Mexico or parts of Mexico there. So if you live anywhere from Louisiana, Texas to Mexico, that's where your highest chance for rain will be into early next week. And I do see some signs that maybe we get some tropical development in the extreme southwestern Gulf of Mexico by the middle of next week or so. Right now, the steering currents for all this, big ridge of high pressure building off the east coast on Sunday and Monday. That initially pulls the moisture to the north, but by about Tuesday and Wednesday, that ridge builds back over the U.S. That will more than likely block anything from coming north. And if something does develop down here in the southwestern Gulf, it would be the middle and end of next week, and it would probably go right into either extreme South Texas or Mexico. So that's what it looks like with the chances of tropical development with that one. Our 7-day forecast, so no major tropical developments impacting us, just some increased moisture later Sunday into Monday. Still looks like Monday would probably be our best shot of widespread showers and storms, but we got 4 days of mostly dry weather, and ooh, it's going to get hot. Friday and Saturday, highs are in the mid-90s.